guys, let's go over my May kit lineup for the month of May for my my memory planner, sorry. Okay, so the first kit I have here is from Glam Planner. You can no longer get this kit, but I had it in my stash, so I wanted to use it. It is like this Mother's Day kit. This is for the week of April 28th through May 4th. Yes. Yeah. So we have our 8 full boxes here. We have our glitter headers. So this is a really old format as well. We have glitter headers. We have extra fashion women. And Mom Life is the Best Life. I won't be using this page. We have some functionals here with extra skin tone and hair colors. We have more functionals, deco and sidebar, little things and icons, some extra little things with pattern little things, and our bottom washi and date covers. I don't know how I'm going to use this kit yet, so I hope it's not quite a busy week, but I had it, and I don't know what's going on with Glam Planner, but there's nothing in her shop right now, and I have this kit, so I'm going to use it. I do have some stuff here. So the first thing I have is these Mother's Day quotes from SPC. So in rose and in silver. So I might throw a couple of those on. And then I have this foil bundle from Crafts Press in glimmer. This is in hollow. And I think, yeah, like hollow and lavender hollow, that I thought would pair nicely. So we have 8 full boxes. We have a tall box, 3 extra boxes, and our headers. We have our icons and scripts, our bottom washi, or bougie boxes, and our bottom washi, date dots, deco, and all of that. So I do plan on using that. I don't think I'm getting anything else for this kit, but we will see. So that's the first kit. The second kit is actually for Mother's Day week, which is the 5th through the 11th. These are subject to change, but give me 1 second. I'm missing part of this kit. Okay, I found it. So I'm going to be using this kit from My Scrappy Fox, and it is called My Mom. She has changed her shop to Cocoa and Fluff, and I don't believe you can get this kit anymore. But let's go through it. We have our full boxes here. We have our bottom washi and extra full box, and our date covers. We have some date dots and functionals. We have our glitter headers. I love this color. We have some little things and some scalloped boxes. We have like our sidebar headers and some patterned washi here. We have patterned paper. Actually, it goes like this. And then we do have our solids. I've used one other kit in my memory planner by this company. It is hard, but I will make do with what I have. And then it did come with okay, whatever. But it did come with like this rosy pinkish color. So we have our overlays, bottom washi, and underlay here. We have 2 pages of the underlay, and then we have the date dots, icons, and scripts, and then we do have the more fancy Mother's Day type of overlays here. So I will be using this for the Mother's Day week. The next week is the 12th through the 18th. And I am going to be using this kit from Scribble Prints CO, if I can get her out. There we go. I have a bunch of stuff in this one. But this is from December 2021, so it was a mystery. I thought this was like a cool, like, self-care looking kit. So I am going to be pairing this. As you can see, I have some overlays over top because I just wanted to see them. But I'm going to do golds. And I also planned on using this for a different week a couple of years ago, but I didn't. So we do have some overlays on here, but I do have 2 quotes so far. It says, all I am I owe to my mother, and then mother is a, hold on, mother is a verb, not a noun. So we have our 8 full boxes here. We have a tall box and some functionals. Come on, they're sticking together. We have our sidebar, flags, and deco, bottom washi or glitter headers, rounded boxes, solid boxes, patterned boxes. I am in love with this pattern. We have our 15mm washi, some extra boxes. We have our functional page with more extra boxes. And then we have our bottom washi with a quote box and our header overlays. On this box it says, sorry, it's small. Your heart was glass, I dropped it, champagne problems. So just thought this would be a nice fun little kit for a Mother's Day week. And then like I said, I have a mishmash of stuff. So I have this cross press shimmer and gold overlays, SPC bottom, SPC like underlays. I got some icons from SPC. I have these scripts and icons from a pixie pack. And then I have these icons and scripts and date dots from cross press. And then I have headers and bottom washi from cross press. So I will be using that as well. Just had a mishmash of things, so I wanted to use what I have. And then last but not least, for the week of the 26th through June 1st, I thought this was a great transition kit from Glam Planner. This is a Alice in Wonderland inspired kit. June is my daughter and I's birthday month, and I am a big Disney fan, so I thought we would use some art inspired by like Disney art. So we have our 8 full boxes here. I won't be using this page, but we have functionals and more boxes, functional page, deco, and she does have some scripts here, sidebar, flags. We have our little things and headers, more little things and icons, bottom washi, date covers. We have some fashion girls, and then what else came with this kit was we have more girl fashion Girls and Hands here. The double box, I don't know if I'll actually use. Some labels and the glitter headers. So I do not have foil for this one yet, but I will be ordering some when I figure out what I want to use. But I think I'm going to use ice for this one. Ice and white I think would be really cool. So that is my May kit lineup in all of its glory. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.